Hi, today I'm making easy greens and cabbage. We're getting very close to Thanksgiving. I wanted to share this very easy greens and cabbage recipe my mother would make because it's very fast and it's a great side. So we're going to begin with 1 can of seasoned collard greens. I'm using a large cabbage, but I've actually cut it in half, so you can use a medium-sized cabbage. I have 1 can of low-sodium chicken broth, a half a stick to a whole stick of butter, depending on what you like, cloves of garlic, and onion, about a half of a medium-sized onion. I'm only feeding about 4 people, so you can definitely double this recipe for more. So I'm going to begin by sauteing 4 cloves of garlic and onions that I've sliced into just a little cooking oil, and I'm just going to cook it until the onion is slightly translucent. In the meantime, while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my cabbage in cubes, as you can see here, and I will come back to my garlic and onion and add the large can of seasoned collard greens. Now, because this has seasoning in it, I'm really using just a little bit of extra seasoning to sort of doctor the recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and saute the greens with the onions and the garlic. I'm then adding the can of low sodium chicken broth, and you want to use low sodium so it doesn't overpower the recipe, because again, it's already has seasoning. I'm going to add my seasoning that I'm adding is a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of Lowry seasoned salt, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. Like I said, it has some seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and add the cabbage to the cooked collard greens, and I'm going to let those cook inside of this batch of greens and start to wilt down. I'm then, in my case, adding a whole stick of butter, so that's a half a cup of butter. I think it really flavors the greens and the cabbage, and so I have added a half a cup of butter. Next, I'm going to just cover the whole thing and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And then I've taken the top off the pot just to see how everything is cooking. And I'm just going to, stir this around a little bit more so that all of the ingredients are combined. Once I've stirred the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and return the lid back to the pot just for about 5 more minutes and turn it down low. And after that, it will be ready to serve. And so this entire recipe takes about 30 minutes to cook. And for a Thanksgiving side, you can't beat that.